Hi, it's Michelle from Gaia's Workshop. We've got a whole bunch of drums about to go up on Etsy and come out into our shop. I'm going to do a couple different videos because there are so many. We're going to start with the small drums here. This is a full wrap Elk Harmonic Shamanic drum. It has a little hole in the side of it. That's the wound where the animal was shot. So these drums are really, really good for healing work. And elk is specifically very good for the will and stamina that you need to do inner child work. So this is what this one sounds like. The reason it's got such a high timbre is because it's a small drum. As you go along, the bigger the drum, the lower the sound. The next drum that we have here is a beautiful little deer harmonic, manifestation drum. It's got the 3-pointed handle that goes into 9 lacings by the power of 3 times 3 as I will, so mote it be. And this is what this one sounds like. Then we have a spirit drum. This is horse. The main stripe of the horse is right here along the edge. And the coloration on this is just fabulous. This is what it looks like on the back. And setting off the other drums. That's a 13-inch horse. This is a 13-inch deer, and this is a harmonic shamanic with our 5-spoke handle, and this is what this one sounds like. So you notice the deer has a very, very long sustain to its sound. Deer is very, very gentle and it's good for healing, and it's just a very, very sweet hide to work with. And this last one, this is also an elk. It's a harmonic shamanic, and this is what this one sounds like. The reason this one sounds lower is because it is much thicker, and the thicker hides also make lower sounds. And that's it for the small drums that we're putting out. Stay tuned for part 2.